कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्वत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताविहीना अपराधलक्ष्ये लिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं 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 भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितस्सन् वदामि राधां करुणावरात्र ततो मम नस्ते गतिर्न कापि। हा देवी काकुहरगदगदयद्वाचा जाजनी पत्ते भुवि दण्डवदर्वटार्थे अस्य प्रसादममुदस्य जनास्य कृत्वा गन्धर्विके निजगणे गणनां विधे अंगस्यामुलिविचटामन्दिकितन्द्रीवरं जड्डं जातुगुरुरुचिशं पट्टं वरस्य बिन्दारण्यवासुरसद्दामदिदामोदरं राधास्तङ्गनिवेशलोज्जलभुजं ध्यानस्तुदामोदरं तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना इति विज्ञायते राधे तं नयामि चरणान्तिके। शिरूपमञ्जरीकरार्चितपादपद्मगुष्टङ्गनभुजार्चितमस्तकाय मधुतकनकगौरी पदारविन्दं सन्वयामि सनकैस्तव किं करिष्ये। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my spiritual master, Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sadasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Vamana Goswami Maharaj and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Vamana Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So by the pathless mercy of Guru and Gauranga, now we have come in Vrindavan. Krishna says, Vrindavanam Parityajam Padamekam na gaccha. I never go out one step from Vrindavan. That means I am always staying in Vrindavan. And Vrindavan, Krishna, he always lives in Vrindavan. His many manifestation, Prakash, and Mathuradi is Krishna, Dwarkadi is Krishna. they are going. Actually, in Aprakat Golo Vrindavan, there are no coming and going. That Sanskrit word that is called Gatagati. Gatagati means coming and going. Aprakat Golo Vrindavan, transcendental world, Golo Vrindavan, the Vrindavan Krishna. Always he lives in Vrindavan. Dwarkadhish Krishna, he lives in Dwarka. Mathuradhish Krishna, he lives in Mathura. In this way, our Goswami very nicely is the Siddhanta, conclusion of our scriptures. Prakat Leela also, we are looking Krishna, he goes Vrindavan to Mathura, Mathura to Dwarkapuri. Even Rupa Goswami Pad, Laghu Bhagavatamritam also explained Krishna left Vrindavan, Vrindavan to Mathura, Mathura to Dwarkapuri. Then Dwarkapuri Krishna also came in Kurukshetra. After Kurukshetra Leela, then Krishna returned back to Dwarkapuri. Then after Dwarkapuri, then Krishna came in Mathura. Then he killed Dantavakra. After killing Dantavakra, Krishna crossed Jamuna and came in Vrindavan and he performed sweet Leela with the gopis. Then he took all the Brajavasis and departed from this material world. This is Rupa Bhagavatamrita, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad in this way very nicely and elaborately explain this Tattva Siddhanta. Actually, Sanatana Goswami Pad, other Goswamis also very nicely also explain. And actually, Vrindavan Krishna, even Prakat Krishna, Vrindavan Krishna, he did not go from Vrindavan to Mathura. And Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained when Akrura, he came in Vrindavan and he took Krishna Vrindavan in a chariot just before cross the border of Mathura. Then Mathura, then Vrindavan Krishna, he disappeared from the chariot of Akrura. And he was staying in Vrindavan invisible. Adishya Rup mein Vrindavan mein. By Jogamaya, then Vrindavan, Mathuradhish Krishna, he seated on the chariot of Akrura and proceeded to Mathura. But according to the vision of people, they are thinking, Krishna, he goes from Vrindavan to Mathura. Actually, Vrindavan Krishna, he is staying in Vrindavan, and Mathuradhish Krishna, he is seated on the chariot of Akrura. That is when Akrura chariot, that crossed Vrindavan border to Mathura. Then by Jogamaya, Mathuradhish Krishna, he is seated on the chariot of Akrura. Then in this way they lie. So actually Vrindavan is very transcendent. And Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kari Saparshada Siyadham Sahabhotari. Krishna is very merciful. He descended from Golo Vrindavan with his own antaraj. In this Bhauma Vrindavan. Then he performed sweet Leela. But all this Leela, there is no transcendence. There are no difference between Prakat and Aprakat Leela. But some subtle, sukshma difference in our Goswamis very clearly explained in their commentary, in their Grantha also. That is called Nitya Leela and Naimittik Leela. Nitya Leela, eternal transcendental Leela is going origin Golok Vrindavan. Naimittik Leela, there is occasionally Leela, sometimes Krishna manifested this Leela in Bhauma Vrindavan with his Yogamaya. Krishna's Aprakat Golo Vrindavan, that Leela is going on. Mostly his Leela, eternal Leela, that is called Rasa Leela. Jaya Jaya Jagarasa, Sarva Rasa Shar, Arakya Bhavijata Prajita Prachara. Krishna's topmost Leela, that is called Rasa Leela, is going on Golok Vrindavan. Yes. Actually, same Leela Krishna by Yogamaya manifested in this material world. Yoga Maya Mupasritam. Krishna performs all his Leela with his Yoga Maya. This is going on this. But in Aprakat Golok Vrindavan, that is no, some Leela is not, that is called. Not form is there, but mood is there. Jiva Goswami passed, and Sri Krishna, what is it called? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought that Grantha in South India. Brahma Samhita. In the commentary of Brahma Samhita, Jiva Goswami passed very nicely and explained these things. And there is no Asur Maran Lila. Krishna Janma Lila, Krishna's sweet and pastime and killing the demons, not in there. But the mood is there. But you may understand how possible is there. Because everything you cannot understand in your material brain or these things. Yogamaya arranged it. All Leela is there. But some Leela is not the form, as like Putanabod Leela. Such as given example, Putanabod. Because there is no Putana. But that mood is there, Bhav is there. Brajavasi is thinking, oh, today Krishna, he kills Putana. As Putana ki Bad Leela hui. You cannot understand everything with your knowledge. Because that is called Aprajita and Achinta Leela is there. Achinta Khuluji Bhava Tam Starke no Nujit Pratikva Paribhasa Achinta Sa Lakshana. Achinta means beyond of our material conception. हमारी जड़ चिंता की ठीक है. अचिंत जी खोलवन निश्चित रूप में certainly अचिंत खुली जब हम तर्क न जुझे according to your dry logic तर्क you cannot establish this philosophy. Something you can understand by the mercy of Krishna and Krishna's parikar. But in Prakat Leela, Krishna manifests his Leela in this Bhogma Vrindavan. That time you can see that Krishna, he kills demon and Putana is also there. Putana Muksham Leela. So Sukadeva Goswami Srimad Bhagavatam very nicely, elaborately explained Krishna's many sweet pastimes and Asur Maran Leela. How Krishna, he killed many demons. Especially Dasan Skanda 10th canto. Sukadeva Goswami passed. Lord Parikshit Maharaj, this Leela. But this type of stand, this Vrindavan, actually translated. So again, I also explained three types of Vrindavan. Prakat Vrindavan, Aprakat Vrindavan, another is called, will you remember? What Vrindavan? Dissaman Prakash. Dissaman Prakash. Dissaman Prakash means which Vrindavan is visible with our material eyes. Place is here. All places is here. But first time is not going on, we are not seeing. But this Leela is going on any Brahmanda. Addavadi say Leela Pare Gaurarai Kono Kana Bhaktavan Dekhi Bare Pai Chaitanya Bhag Vrindavan was Thakur. Addavadi say Leela Pare Gaurarai. Krishna still is performing his Leela in his dham. In the same way, Krishna, he performs all his Leela in this Vrindavan. But those who are extreme fortune, they can see the Leela. Leela is going on, this is. But any Brahmanda is going on. There is not necessary Krishna will perform all Leelas in every Brahmanda. Krishna Leela is going on different Brahmandas. Is going on this way. I'll give an example. The Sanskrit word that is called the Alava Chakranay. Alava Chakranay means one kind of logic. Neither. Chakra means if you take one, what is called? That burning stick. And very quickly if you move, then you can see that is only the cycle of fire. But that is moving very quickly. In the same way, Krishna Leelas are going on this way. Alava Chakra Leela, one Brahman to another Brahman doing this way. Very quickly is going. One Brahman is going, Krishna's what is called Putana Moksha Leela, deliverance of Putana Moksha Leela. Another Brahman is going, Sakadasu, Sakadabhanjan Leela, or Tinavarta Leela. One Brahman to another. Very quickly is going on this way. That is called Alavat Chakra, Alavat Chakravat. In the same way, Krishna Leela is going on. Any Brahman, still also Krishna, nowadays also Krishna's Leela is going on, any Brahman. So those who are extreme fortune, Bhava Sadhaka, by the performing of bhajan and sadhan, then Jogmaya manifested in their hearts and they can see the Krishna Leela, how is going on this. But this is got you Adavadi, Sahi Leela, Kare Gaurara. That Chaitanya Mahaprabhu means also Krishna. There are no difference between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna. Gaur Leela and Krishna Leela simultaneously is going on this side. Gaur Leela is going on Satadip Dham. Or Mahaprabhu, Krishna Leela is going on Vrindavan. But you have one thing. If you are not taking shelter of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and you cannot enter in Vrindavan Leela. Jatha Jatha Gaura Padara Binde Binde Bhuva Krita Punya Punja Tatha Tatha Sarpani Hidi Akasmat Radha Padamuru Sudhambu Rasi. If you completely, absolutely surrender Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then by the causeless mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then the Radha Prem automatically manifest in your heart. So what will you do? You have to surrender lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gaur Kripa. If you receive the mercy of Gaura Sundar, and automatically Radha Prem, Krishna Prem will manifest in your heart, in the present. For this Riga Prabhupada Saraswati Pad explained, Aradhito Navavanam Vrindavanate, Naradhito Navavanam Vrindavane Vadure, Aradhito Dijasuta Prajanagaraste, Naradhito Dijasuta Nataveha Krishna. Aradhito Navavanam. If you worship Navadip Dham, Navavanam, then automatically you enter Vrindavan. If you not worship Navadip Dham, any method, you cannot enter in Vrindavan. Aradhito Dijasuta. Dijasuta means the son of Jagannath Mishra. Jagannath Mishra is a Brahmana. So for this regard, it is Aradhito Dijasuta. Dija means Brahmana, Suta means son. The son of Jagannath Mishra. If you worship the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then automatically attain to Krishna, who is the beloved of the gopis. Aradhito Dijasuta Brajanagraste. Naradhito Dijasuta. If you not worship Sachinandana Gaudhari, you cannot to serve to Krishna with the beloved. That means conclusion is that you have to first take shelter, lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his dham. Gaur dham or Gaur naam, Gaur seva. This is our Tingana. Our Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely gives this conclusion. If you worship Divine Lord Radha Krishna under guidance of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when your bhajan sadhana will be mature and perfect, then your Atma at a time go in two ways. At a time will go to Golok Vrindavan and serve Divine Lord Radha Krishna, and simultaneously your Atma will go to Shatadip Dham and serve Sachinandana Gaura. That means at a time you will enter Gaura Leela and Krishna. So for this regard, our Goswamis explain. We serve Divine Radha and Krishna under guidance of Sachinandan Gaura. And this is our conclusion. How to serve Sachinandan Gaura. Narahari Sarkar very nicely explained. Manare kahana gaura katha amar gaure rana amiya radha piriti murati data amar gaure rana amiya radha piriti murati data are sayane gaura sapane gaura sayane gaura sapane gaura gaura nayanir tara gaura nayanir tara re jivane gaura marane gaura gaura golaro hara jivane gaura marane gaura gaura golaro गौर बलिया जाओ तो प्राण किछु न चाहिए बता नरनी सरकार संगी सॉन्ग मन रे कहना गौर कथा ओ माइंड ऑलवेज यू ग्लोरीफाई द स्वीट pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gauda Katha. Gauda Katha is very important. If you have no taste, Gauda Katha may not understand the Bhagavad Katha. Some Vaishnavas also explain. All granthas may be disappear, but only one grantha will be remain in this material world. That will be enough. That is called Chaitanya Chaitamrita. Chaitanya Chaitamrita. Every day you have to read Chaitanya Bhagavad and Chaitanya Chaitamrita. This is the conclusion of our Gauriya Vaishnava. So now just I also explain. No. Achha. Actually I told to you some katha I told. This is called three types of dham. One is called Prakat Dham, one is called Prakat Dham, and this is called क्या बोला था? Drisyaman Prakash. Place is there. Just we coming from some place you see. But realize not you can see. But you can see also if you receive the mercy of Dham, mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, mercy of Divine Radha and Krishna. Because all this lila is going on and transcendental world and that thing just manifested. Vrindavan Dham is very confident. Jatkinchit Tinagulma Kikatamukam Goshte Samaste Itat Sarvanam Kundaditam Lilanukulam Param Sastirvas Putamidam Nishtimtam Janjaya Brahmadivi Sasprinam Madhyam Kaya Vandati our Raghunath Goswami Prajavilasta Branta. Very humble. He explained Jatkinchit Tinagulma Kikatamukam Goshte Samaste Itat. What do you say the human beings and others? Even in Vrindavan, Tina Gulma Lata, grass, many grass, and some creepers, everything was dancing. So Jatkin Tinagulma, Jatkinchit Tinagulma, Kikatamukha. Kikatamukha means even the spider or snake, they are very dangerous. If the spider or snake bite you, then you will die. But in Vrindavan Dham, Jatkinchit Tinagulma Kikatamukam Goshte Samasimtam Sarvanda Mukunda Daitam Lilanukulam Param. And spider, snake, all their bodies called kya body? Sachidanand. And Krishna Lilake Anukulas. And in Golok Vrindavan Dham, no one the opposite of Krishna. Everybody is also. They were for Krishna. So Jatkinchit Tinagulma Kikatamukam Goshte Samasimtam Sarva Anandamaya Mukunda. Mukunda who gives Mukti Dadati Jasiti Mukunda. Here mukti means not the Vaikuntha mukti. Here mukti means is what? What the topmost meaning of mukti? Then you understand the Mukunda, you are Mukunda. Mukunda means Attantik dukkha nivrittehi mukti. Free from all kinds of distress and happiness. That is also mukti, liberation. Vishnu only, labhahi mukti. And if you receive the Krishna's lotus feet, Vishnu's lotus feet, that is called mukti. Vishnu only, labhahi mukti. Topmost meaning of mukti means mukti jannata rupam sasarupena bhavastiti is mukti. Giving up all kinds of activities of karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. No need. Mukti jannata. Sasarupena bhavastiti. That means one who realizes his own transcendental constitutional form, Siddhanta. And with the transcendental constitutional form, he direct serves to Krishna and is purified. That is called perfect mukti. So mukti is many meaning. Here the topmost meaning, how to realize your own transcendental constitutional form. And with this transcendental constitutional form, serve to divine Radha and Krishna. That is called perfect mukti. Mukti janata rupam sasalupinam vyavastiti hi mukti. So Mukunda, Mukti dadati jasiti Mukunda. Athva jassa mukharavindam kunda phala, kunda puspavata. That means one face as like the flowers of kunda. One kind of flower, kunda. Very nice, beautiful and attractive and smiling face and little bit reddish. In the same way, Krishna's one name is called also Mukunda. Krishna manifests his topmost form in Rasa. That and everybody is attracted. Sayanagama Ramanam Sundarata Varishta Sundarja Mohita Samasta Jagad Janas and Goswami Path very nicely and elaborately explained about this philosophy. Mukunda. So Mukunda Gaitam in Vrindavan, all they are very dearest of Mukunda. And Lilanukulam Param, all they are assisting or helping Radha Krishna's and Leela. And this is their service. And even the spider, snake, they are very near dears of Krishna Mukunda. And they are arranging how Radha and Krishna meet together. Sometimes Radha Krishna they are quarreling. In the morning I told you. That is called what quarreling? What do you remember? Loving quarrel. Understand? Prem kalaha. But that prem kalaha lasting longer. Maybe after a couple of days or one day, their loving quarrel will be finished. So in the morning I told, when wife and husband are making quarrel to each other, you should not interfere. If you interfere with them, then big problem will come in your life also. As गुठली और छिलका सब बाहर चले जाएगा और आम और दूध अपने आप मिल जाएगा, ठाकुर जी की भूख लगेगा और पुजारी घटघट पीते रहेगा। आशा पुजारी ठाकुर जी की भूख लगा, इसलिए पुजारी आम के क्या बनता है, से बनता है ना मैंगो शेक, वो घटघट पीते रहेगा और तुम गुठली और छिलके के भांति बाहर लुढ़कते रहोगे और अंतों में पुजारी तुम्हें कहाँ फेंक देंगे, पूरी दानी में फेंक देंगे। पुजारी तो खा पी लेगा, कौन सा मैंगो जूस है ना, दूध और मैंगो बना के, और तुम कहाँ जाओगे, डस्टबिन में रोते रहोगे। Understand? Why I am saying this? In Vrindavan, all their transcendental, all their body also Shashidana. All they are helping how Radha Krishna, they will meet together. Radha, sometimes they are quarreling with Radha Krishna. Just I told. And then snake, spider, they also helping. How? Rather than again meet together. Vrindavan actually colleges. It is called Sambhog Maesthan, meetings. Our Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's dham is called Vipralambha. They are also Vipralambha, separation. But meeting is very prominent, Vrindavan. But without separation, meeting will not increase and testify. So for this regard, say, no vina vipralambena sambhoga pushti masamute. Without separation, meeting will be not tasteful, not tasty. For this regard, Jogmaya, she arranged how Radha Krishna view means separate. And again, Jogmaya, she also arranged how Radha Krishna again meet together. Because love means is what? Meeting and separation, separation and meeting. Then I give an example, one coin and two sides. Coin is one. In the same way, love is one. But two ways. Performing this lila, Vipralambhamaya lila, and it is called Sambhogmaya lila. So snake also in Vrindavan. They are saying Mukunda Daitam. Daitam means very nearest of Mukunda. Because snake, spider, tiger, lion, whatever, they all are helping how Radha Krishna they meet together. एकत्रित कैसे मिला? तो जब किंतु नगुलमति को नमोहम गुष्टे समसिनिता सर्वांत मुकुंद दैतम लीलानुकूलम परम लीला अनुकूल not particular. Bhakti is two things you have to remember. One is called anukulla, another is called pratikulla. You have to accept those who are capable for bhakti. You have to accept. That is called anukulla, grahana, or pratikulla, vivarjana. You have to reject those who are uncapable for bhakti. But in Golok Vrindavan Krishna Leela, there is called Krishna Daitam, Leela Anukula, Leela Anukula. That no particular. Just to give an example, Vrindavan Dham. Remember, one Radha and Krishna, they are meeting together, laughing, joking, sweet, amorous pastime is going. In the meantime, Srimati Radhika's Brahma Bhav manifested. Brahma Bhav, understand? Left wings move. That is called Ahituki Man. Srimati Radhika's man. There are many kinds of man, just actually two kinds of man. One is called Hetu Man, another is called Ahetu Man. Srimati Radhika, Ahetu Man. All kinds of Hetu Man will come, the man related with cause. Then Krishna can destroy. But Ahetu Man, not so easy. So Srimati Radhika, she angry with Krishna. But why? What is the reason? No reason. Then Srimati Radhika, she left Krishna. Now Krishna is alone. She did not turn her face towards Krishna. Krishna is crying, shedding tears. Krishna is very eager to meet with Srimati Radhika. But Srimati Radhika, she did not listen any words from Krishna. So Srimati Radhika, she left. Then Srimati Radhika, she is going, return back to her home, Javata. Then Krishna is thinking, what will do now? Then Krishna remembered to Yogamaya. I told Krishna performs all his lila with his Yogamaya. When Srimati Radhika left Krishna and entered in the forest, but Braj language, the Braj Ali Gully path is very small. That is called camel path. Pagdandi. Pagdandi means this one. Only one person can walk. And two sides, so many thrones, kanti. Only one person can go. That is Braj language called, what is called? Pagdandi. So Srimati Radhika, she is going on the path. And here Krishna is thinking, so how I will break the man of Srimati Radhika? Krishna played the flute, but this flute is not working. In Gurudev told Krishna, he keeps the flute on his hand only one reason, how to break the man of the gopis, not other things. In Dwaraka, Mathura, no need flute. Just Krishna will become little bit serious, then all they will become very afraid for Krishna. Dwaraka, Mathura में कृष्ण थोड़ा गंभीर पर सीरियस हो जाए, उनके मान तो छोड़ दीजिए, वो लोग सब डरते हैं. If Krishna will become little bit serious, all the residents of Dwaraka and Mathura, they will start to अपमान हो जाए. और वृंदावन, Krishna will be serious or not, they don't care. But Krishna had to break the man of the gopis. But this regard Krishna, he keeps the flute on his hand. And when Krishna played the flute, the gopis man automatically adjusts. वृंदावन के कृष्ण बंसी से धारण कर गोपियों के मान तोड़ने के लिए, क्योंकि ये है अमोघ अस्त्र कहा गया. This is the ब्रह्मास्त्र. And how to break the man of the gopis with Krishna's flute. Govinda Viruddha. But Krishna, he played the flute. But Srimati Radhika's man did not play. Because this is the oil. What a white. And when Krishna played the flute, then all the gopis, they came out from their house and they gave up all their household duties. Nisamma Gitam Tadananga Vardhanam Prajastriyo. Sukdev Goswami give this evidence. When Krishna played the flute, then all gopis, they gave up their household duties and they start to run towards Krishna. So now coming in this way, when Krishna played the flute Bangsi, can't to break the man of Srimati Radhika. Durjay man. This man is called Durjay man, unbreakable man. Then Krishna is thinking, what will do now? Some person is thinking, why Krishna played the flute? To break the man of the Srimati Radhika, then Srimati Radhika put some cotton in his ear to flute. Some cannot enter. So how to break the man? Some person says, okay, this is not our sadhya, just I tell you. Now coming in there, Krishna is thinking, what will do now? How to break the man of Srimati Radhika. Then Krishna remember to Yogamaya. Yogamaya assists Krishna's Leela. Then Yogamaya manifested one black serpent, Krishna serpent, maybe 2-3 meters long, raised his hoods to fangs, two eyes as like burning iron bowl. दो आंख मानो तपे हुए लोहे के, आग में तपे हुए लोहे की भांति वो लाल लाल हो रहा है दोनों आंख सांप के. तुम्हारे आंख लाल नहीं हो, क्योंकि वो सांप के आंख जो है बिल्कुल लाल है. और making sound and raise his hood and hisses. When Srimati Radhika, she noticed, she became very afraid. She cannot go forward because snake in front of her. Snake is coming and raise his hood. Srimati Radhika, she cannot go left side or right side. Only one way she can turn back. So when Srimati Radhika is thinking what we do, and snake is very close. Then she afraid. Then Krishna, Srimati Radhika, she turns and again coming to Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, Mahabahu, Rakshama. Hey Krishna, please save me. They embrace to Sri Krishna. Then automatically her man has broken. In this way, Yogamaya, she arranged this way. 5 seconds you get Vrindavan. And everything is your transcendental. Those who are living in Vrindavan, they are very, very fortunate. जो लोग वृंदावन में निवास रहते हैं, वो लोग बहुत सौभाग्यवान हैं। अनेकों जन्म की सौभाग्य होने पर वृंदावन में वास होता है। If you have extreme fortune, that means when your fortune will be accumulated, then you may stay in Vrindavan and remember this pastime to Bhajan and Sadhana. बोलो वृंदावन धाम की जय जय श्री राम। Now quarter to 9. बोलो वृंदावन धाम की जय जय श्री राम। गौर प्रेमानंद गोविंद बल्लभ अरे इन लोग के डालना सब बड़े बड़े अरे कौन समझते अरे बाजार से अरे बाजार के अच्छा तो मेरे पास माइक आ जाएगा मेरा समझ नहीं रहा
Мне на рынок нужно. Да. Мне четки надо, я даже не знаю. Как хочешь. Hare Hare Krishna Yadavaya
Ah, é daqui. Esse potinho é deles então, né?
Essa do russo que tá com. Aquele ali tá mandando tirando agora, vai
Я всегда удовольствие, честно.
महीने आप लोग कितना हुआ क्या आप बोलवा एकदम एक लिटिल बिट ब्रेकफास्ट इनको हाँ अरे आई एम टेकिंग